going on, everybody? So today I want to talk a little bit about the credit repair industry. So a lot of people are probably going to be upset about this video that do credit repair, but I feel it needs to be said. So there's so many new people getting into credit repair. I'm in groups. I'm even still in the Metro 2 groups. So that's really what's blowing up right now is Metro 2, because it's simple to use. And there's a wasp. Anyway, so these people are in groups asking questions that, sorry y'all, that wasp, they're like really bad right now. Anyway, sorry. But yeah, the Metro 2 is so easy to use because it does all the work for you. It's just, you just click a few buttons and it generates the letter for you. And I've told y'all before, I've used it myself because it's easy, it's fast, it's convenient, but it doesn't get you great results. Mediocre at best. Metro 2 is just a reporting standard that the bureaus use, and trust me, it does work, but it's not like extremely effective anymore. So another thing these credit repair companies are doing, and I think I have touched on this before, is they're hiring a virtual assistant, or a VA they call it, which is basically some person in Pakistan, the Philippines, Asia, stuff like that. You know, and it's just, they work so cheap. They normally charge $3 to $5 an hour. So, and they can do 2 to 5 clients an hour. And the wasp's coming back. I think that wasp really wants me, y'all. Sorry. I keep losing my train of thought because I don't want to get stung by the wasp. But yeah, you know, part of that agreement with that company, believe it or not, is they can do whatever they want to with your personal information. Everything we do is done in the USA. All the attorneys are in the USA. All the other CROs that work for me, they're in the USA. So, you know, you got people like this guy right here who are selling your information. They're selling your information to people in Vietnam, because that's where he's at, and India. I mean, he's even made a video of him talking to one of his VAs and them riding a scooter in India. Not that I have an issue with India or Indian people or anything like that. I'm not saying that, so please don't take that and run with it. I'm just saying they're selling your personal information to these people, and then they are selling it on the black market so they can actually make a decent living, because they're not making much money from these credit repair organizations. They're not. What we pay for our software, what we pay our CROs, what we pay our attorneys is way more than what they're willing to pay. So most credit repair companies are all about profit and profit only. We're not about profit. I can promise you 1000%, my company, Everything Credit LLC, spends more money than any other company on software, on attorneys, certified mail, priority mail, you name it, I promise you, because we're all about getting the maximum results we can, not making as much money as possible. That's why we don't do things online using some fake system called ACAT. So, that being said, be careful who you hire. These people will tell you what you want to hear. There are other companies out there like me that are honest, transparent, and can get the job done. But don't always go for what you want to hear. In fact, never go for what you want to hear. We're going to tell you the truth and the facts about how credit repair works, and that's it. End of story. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.